In this video, I will show you how to simply link your bank card in Alibaba.com. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on Alibaba, AliExpress, Pinduoduo, 1688, Taobao, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how you can ship from China or any part of the world using Alibaba.com. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to link your bank card in Alibaba shopping app. So let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Alibaba app. After you open up your Alibaba app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you log into the app. After a successful login, click on this icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on payment right here. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on add a new card. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter your card number right here, your card name right here, your surname on the card, expire month and year, the CVV or CSC 3 digits at the back of the card. After you enter everything right here, come down below right here and click on confirm. Bear in mind, the card needs to be Visa or Master, American Express, Recovery, JCB, Junior Pay, etc. These are supported bank card that you can use in shopping on your Alibaba.com. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use or ship from China or any part of the world using Alibaba, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.